What if saving Earth from an asteroid could secretly set us up for disaster later? That's the shocking risk scientists have uncovered. NASA's DART mission proved we can knock a space rock off course, but new research shows that hitting in the wrong spot might nudge it into a gravitational keyhole, a tiny cosmic trap that bends it back toward Earth decades later. 1. The hidden risk of gravitational keyholes. NASA's 2022 DART mission thrilled the world when it nudged the asteroid moonlet Dimorphos, proving humanity could change the course of a celestial body. But researchers now warn this victory hides a deeper challenge. Deflecting an asteroid isn't only about moving it away from Earth, it's about making sure we don't accidentally set up a bigger problem in the future. Scientists from the University of Illinois, in collaboration with NASA experts, discovered that hitting the wrong spot could push an asteroid into a gravitational keyhole. These are tiny zones in space where a planet's gravity tweaks an asteroid's orbit just enough to redirect it back on a collision course years or decades later. Some keyholes are only a few hundred meters wide, but the consequences of drifting into one are enormous. To picture it, imagine a cosmic pinball machine. The asteroid is the ball, Earth is the flipper, and the keyholes are bumpers. Hit the wrong bumper, and instead of sending the ball away, you bounce it back toward danger. That's exactly what could happen if a deflection isn't planned with precision. What makes this so concerning is how small the differences can be. A strike just a few meters off target, or a miscalculation of the asteroid's spin or surface material, could mean the difference between safety and a delayed impact. The research shows that even successful deflections can carry hidden risks if we don't carefully analyze future orbital paths. This discovery transforms planetary defense. Success isn't defined solely by moving an asteroid away from Earth's immediate path, but by ensuring it avoids these invisible traps in space. That's why scientists are now creating new tools to calculate safe impact zones with far more accuracy. 2. Mapping safe impact zones. So how do scientists make sure deflection attempts don't backfire? The answer is by building probability maps. These maps highlight the safest places to strike an asteroid's surface zones where a kinetic impact is least likely to send it through a keyhole. Instead of guessing, mission planners can use data to choose the optimal site for a deflection attempt. To build these maps, researchers simulate many different outcomes. They model how hitting different regions changes the asteroid's path, then calculate whether those new paths intersect gravitational keyholes. Each potential strike point is scored, and the lowest risk areas emerge as the best targets. The result looks like a chart of probabilities wrapped around the asteroid's surface. But creating these maps isn't simple. Scientists need to know the asteroid's shape because irregular forms affect how momentum is transferred. They need its rotation, since whether it's spinning forward or backward at the time of impact changes the final trajectory. They also need details about surface composition, whether it's rocky, dusty, or covered in boulders influences how much material gets blasted away. Even the internal mass distribution matters, since a hollowed or fractured asteroid won't respond the same way as a dense one. These maps aren't just theoretical. Researchers have already tested them on Bennu, the near-Earth asteroid visited by NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission. Because Bennu is so well studied, scientists could generate high-resolution probability maps and even mark crosshairs where a spacecraft should ideally aim. And they account for reality. No spacecraft hits with perfect accuracy, so the models include potential targeting errors of several meters. If time is short, rougher maps can still be created with ground-based telescopes and radar. While less precise, they're far better than improvising in a planetary emergency. 3. Future missions and why this matters. This research completely changes the standards for future asteroid deflection missions. The question isn't just, can we hit it? But can we hit it in the right place to guarantee long-term safety? Every potential impact site carries unique consequences, and only with detailed mapping can we avoid turning a short-term victory into a long-term threat. One of the most important upcoming efforts is the European Space Agency's Hera mission, scheduled to reach the Dimorphos system in December 2026. Hera will study the aftermath of NASA's DART impact, measuring the crater, debris patterns, and momentum transfer. This data will help scientists refine their models of how asteroids react when struck. The more accurate those models become, the more reliable probability maps will be for real threats. Hera's close-up survey will also reveal how rubble piles and fractured surfaces influence deflection outcomes, giving future planners the knowledge they need to avoid dangerous surprises. The implications stretch far beyond a single asteroid system. Humanity has been fortunate so far. No known large asteroid is on a direct path toward Earth in the near future. But history tells us impacts have happened, and statistics tell us they will again. The challenge is to be ready before that discovery is made. With probability mapping frameworks and missions like Hera, scientists are preparing now for that eventual day. This also underscores the importance of early detection. The earlier we identify a hazardous asteroid, the more time we have to map its surface, study its rotation, and determine the safest place to hit. Planetary defense is not about last-minute heroics. It's about preparation, precision, and foresight. By combining detection, modeling, and carefully planned missions, we can ensure asteroid deflection protects Earth rather than postponing danger. Asteroid deflection may sound straightforward, but we've seen it's far more complex. A single miscalculated strike could set the stage for a delayed disaster, which is why probability maps and missions like ESA's Hera are so important. They transform asteroid defense from a guess into a precise science. Humanity's safety depends not only on the power to move asteroids, but on the wisdom to move them correctly. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.